welcome back to my YouTube channel. This car is BMW 1 Series 118i. So let's do the service of this car. You need that 27mm socket to lose the oil filter cap. So the oil filter location is this one. So you need to do like that. So after that you can successfully, you can take out successfully the oil filter. That is the oil filter. See the bad condition of the oil filter, just taken out. That's it. So I have bought this oil filter from CRM, so they're specialists in the car parts. That is oil filter. So you put it back. So it needs to clean a bit. This oil. You need to take that old ring as well. So you can put it back, the new one. So that's the oil filter, and the rings always comes with the new oil filter. You need to put the rings as well. Yeah, it's ready, so you can put it back. It's a bit difficult to put it back, so anyway you can use like that as well. Let's put the filter first. Yeah. Yeah. Just tighten it. That's it. So you to take out the oils, you know in most of BMWs, these are the cap. You need to do like that. Yeah, that is a 17mm plug. You need to remove. Yeah. So after that, you can lose it by hand then. Yeah, just wait for a minute.